There are unspeakable crimes committed in this great big city every day. This is the story of three men who chose the path of robbers.
We have the most underrated job in the world. I certainly agree with that statement.
Totally, dude.
I wish Oh, it's my phone. Hello?
I have a better job for you. Go live your dreams as robbers.
I certainly agree with that statement.
This is the life, dude.
I certainly agree with that statement. Let's go down that chimney.
Totally, dude.
Ooh, what's that noise in the fireplace? Maybe it's Santa Claus! Are you Santa Claus?
Yeah, mean Santa Claus. That's not worth it. You found the money! I certainly agree with that statement.
Totally, dude.
Woo, 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 let's get out of here! Woo, 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 woo,
Oh my God, we forgot the TV! I certainly agree with that statement.
Dude, let's go back to the house and get that TV.
I am hiding in my home and there are 3 robbers at my house. Come quickly, please. I live at 92 River Road, but I don't know why it's called River Road, because roads are made out of rivers.
I can't believe Indiana Jones bailed on us.
Yeah, totally, dude, but he didn't fit in with the group anyway.
Let's just get here what we came for.
Hold it right there, Robert. The gig is up.
Put your hands up. Let's get out of here.
The criminals were apprehended. They are now serving 20 years to life. The police have brought justice to our city.